Welcome to the LOLgorithm, the podcast where artificial intelligence, computer science, and tech news crash headfirst into comedy. I'm your host, Alice, here to make sense of the chaos.
And I'm Carter, here to make nonsense of everything you just said. Think of me as the bug in your code. You didn't ask for me, you don't understand me, but I'm not going anywhere.
Perfect. Today we're asking the question, AI versus human jobs, who's getting fired first? Spoiler alert, it's not the coffee machine.
Good, because if AI ever learns to make my coffee exactly right, then humans are truly done for. Nobody survives the Starbucks algorithm.
It's true. People are genuinely worried. Everywhere you look, there's a headline screaming AI is taking our jobs at Select. And sure, some jobs are on the chopping block.
Yeah, like telemarketers. I don't even think humans are making those calls anymore. It's just robots asking if my car warranty expired.
Funny thing is, half the time the robots are more polite than the humans ever were.
At least the robots don't sigh when I say wrong number. They just hang up. Humans take it personally.
So let's start with the obvious, jobs that are genuinely at risk. Data entry clerks, customer service reps, basic translators, even legal assistants who just review documents.
Translation: if your job is basically copy-paste with a salary, you might want to learn Python, or at least how to make memes.
Exactly, but let's be fair, AI isn't perfect. It makes mistakes. You've seen chatbots, right?
Oh yeah, my bank's chatbot once told me to invest in Dogecoin. I don't know if that was financial advice or a prank.
Probably both, but here's the important part. There are jobs AI can't really replace. Anything requiring creativity, empathy, or original problem solving is still very human.
So therapists are safe. Unless the therapist gets replaced by a chatbot named Dr. GPT.
There are actually experiments with that, but AI lacks real empathy. Humans can detect nuance and emotion in ways machines can't.
Are you sure? Because my Roomba seemed pretty judgmental when it vacuumed up my Cheetos.
That was just the sound of its motor, not shame.
Sounded like shame to me.
Moving on, jobs like teachers, comedians, leaders, and caregivers, these require human depth. AI can assist, but it can't fully take over.
Good, because if AI starts doing stand-up comedy, I'm screwed. What's it gonna do? Tell knock-knock jokes in binary?
Probably. Knock knock.
Who's there?
0101.
Auto 1011 who?
Error. Joke not found.
See? Unemployed already.
But here's a fun thought experiment. Imagine an AI going to a job interview.
Hello, I am applicant GPT 1.0. My hobbies include stealing your personal data and crashing during important presentations.
So tell me about a time you worked in a team.
I do not work in teams. I replace them.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Running this company and then replacing you.
Yeah, HR would not survive that interview.
Honestly, sounds like half the CEOs I've met.
Touché. Now, for all the panic, the truth is AI is a tool. It's here to make us more efficient, not to erase us entirely.
Unless you're a telemarketer, then yeah, you're done.
True, but for most people, the key is adapting. If your job is repetitive, you'll need to upskill, learn to work with AI, not against it.
So basically, don't fight the robots, befriend them. That way when Skynet comes online, you're on the do not terminate list.
Exactly. Build alliances now. Compliment your toaster. Be nice to your printer.
Never be nice to your printer. That's how it knows it has power over you.
Fair. Printers are already self-aware, I think.
They're just evil. AI didn't invent that.
So, to wrap it up, AI is changing the workforce, yes. Some jobs are at risk, especially the repetitive ones. But creativity, empathy, and problem-solving remain human superpowers.
Translation: if you're funny, kind, or weirdly good at fixing office printers, you're safe.
That's the message.
And if not, well, there's always a career in podcasting. Oh wait, that's our job. Please don't take it.
That's it for this episode of the LOLgorithm. Thanks for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe, or else the AI overlords will unsubscribe you from life. Just kidding. Mostly.
We'll be back next week with Why Programmers Hate Mondays. Until then, stay curious, stay funny, and don't get replaced by a toaster.
Unless the toaster makes avocado toast, then I'll gladly step aside.